Hi guys, today's session is about assumed mean. I'll quickly finish off the theory so we can practice at least 10 questions so that we become fluent in adding multiple numbers, large numbers basically. Now, suppose we have five numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we can assume any number to be our mean. What is a mean? Mean is sum of n numbers and divided by n basically gives us the mean. Now, if we multiply the mean with n, we get the sum of numbers. We'll use this in a minute. Coming back to our five numbers. Five numbers means n equals 5. Now add it all up, we get 15. 5 plus 4, 9, 12, 14, 15. We'll keep the sum here. So now we have 15 by 5, which is basically sum by n, equals to our mean, which is 3. This is a simple calculation of mean, but we are not studying about mean, we are studying about assumed mean. Let me just remove all of this right now and we'll explore the concept of assumed mean. Now what assumed mean does is, we can choose any of these five numbers to be our assumed mean. Let's suppose we take 3 for basic understanding. Now, if 3 is our assumed mean, the difference between 3 and 3 is nothing. 3 and 4 is 1 greater, 3 and 5 is 2 greater. 3 and 2 it's 1 less, and 3 and 1 is 2 less. And when we see it all cuts out, minus 2 goes with plus 2, plus 1 goes with minus 1, we basically are left with 0. Basically, we are going to add 0 to all the five numbers multiplied to our assumed mean 3. Why do we do so? Just now we saw if we multiply mean with the number of numbers, it gives us the sum. And here there is the difference of 0. So we need not add anything, we'll add 0 here. Gives us the answer. I know this might sound a little bit complicated or the concept might not be clear, so we take another assumed mean. This time we are going to take 4. Now what happens is 1 is 3 less, 2 is 2 less, 3 is 1 less, 5 is 1 more, and this is 0. So when we add up, it gives us minus 5. So we are going to add minus 5 to what? 5 numbers with the assumed mean 4 minus 5. 20 minus 5 gives us 15. Again, we got the correct answer. Now let's try the same thing with taking 2 as our assumed mean. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is 1 less, this is the same, this is 1 more, this is 2 more, and this is 3 more. Minus 1 and plus 1 cut out, we are left with plus 5. We are going to add a 5 to what? To 5 times 2 plus 5 equals 15 again. So now you understand the concept that out of all the numbers given to us, we can take any one to be our assumed mean, and it helps with the calculation of their sum. Where do we might need this? Let's scroll down a bit. Yes. Suppose let's go to the practice stage now. Practice. If we have numbers like 540, 570, 610, 635, 700, we have 5 numbers, right? Now suppose I assume the mean to be 610. How much is 570 less or more? It is 40 less. 540 is 70 less. 635 is 25 more. 700 is 90 more. So this gives us minus 110. This gives us or plus of 115. Basically both of these give us plus 5. Where are we going to add this plus 5? We are going to add it in 610 into 1 2 3 4 5 numbers, giving us, which is 0 5 3 3050 plus 5, which is 3055, should be our answer. Let's verify it if I have made any mistake during this calculation. So here it's going to be 5 4 11 12 15 5 6 11 17 23 and 33055. So we have verified that not only we increase the speed of our calculation, with practice it's going to be much easier to solve DILR questions, where you will find a lot of numbers, scores, points in tournaments. There'll be a lot of sums given. Let's practice a few more questions here. 330, 375, 415, 475 and 360. Whatever we want, we can assume the mean. I want to assume 360 as our mean. So we have 115 plus, we have 55 plus, we have 15 plus, and we have 30 minus. It's not gonna help a lot here, but we'll make it work, don't worry. 15, 55 makes 70, 70 and 1.5, it makes 185, minus 30 gives us 155. So basically we're gonna add 155 to what? 360 into 5, which is basically none other than 1800. Is it not? 5 6 is 300, 1500 plus 300 is 1800. Now we are gonna add 155, that makes it 5591. Let's practice another. Yep. This time we'll take some larger numbers. 1100, 1210, 1180, 1150, 1250, 1140. Here we have 6 numbers. Let's again choose one of it to be our assumed mean. I'll take 1150 as our assumed mean. 1180 is 30 more. 1210 is 60 more. 1100 is 50 less. 1250 is 100 more. And 1140 is 10 less. Again we have 50 and 60, so we cut it out. We need to add a total of 130 to what? It is 1150 into how many numbers do we have this time? 6, which makes it basically 009 plus 130, giving us none other than 7030 as our answer. I hope you guys are understanding what's going on now. I think you can practice on your own. Still, we are going to do at least 2 more questions. Let's complete this page, one here and one down there. Okay, we'll take some numbers greater than 2000 now. 2100, 2250, 2150, 2210, 2140. Let's take one more number, 2080. Now if I were to take a mean, I will take 250. Again, this just any number you can assume. I'm taking 2150. It is 50 more. 2200 is 50 more than 2150. It is 50 less. This is 100 more. This is 60 more. 2140 is 10 less, and this is again 30. No, this is 70 less. So here we have negative of 80, 130 and positive of 150 and 210. which makes it a plus 70 on what is basically 2150 into 7. Sorry, my bad. And that gives us 0, 5, 0 and 1, 5. Basically 1, 5, 1, 2, 0 should be our answer. Let's just confirm it's 0, 12, 13, 18, 23. I think we have made some mistake. 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 1, 5, 1, 3, 0. What's the mistake? Plus 80. This makes minus 80 and minus 50, that is minus 130, and plus 60, 160, 210. 210. How? Okay. Yes, we made a mistake. We need to add plus 80 and then we get our answer 15130. One last, we'll have smaller numbers, don't worry. 65, 75, 85, 55, 35, 120. We have 7 numbers again. Let's assume this time 55 to be our assumed mean. We have plus 30 here, we have plus 20 here, we have plus 10 here, we have minus 20 here, we have plus 45 here, and again a minus of 35. 20 and 35 gives 55, so plus 10 and plus 45 just negates, and we need to add 50 to 55 into 7, that gives us 35, and 35 there is 380, and we add 50, makes us 3, 1 and 4, 35 as the answer. Let's just check. 5 times 5 gives us 5 to 8, 15, 23, 28, 31, 33 and 4. We get the right answer.